Your brand story, whether it's personal or business, should be video-centric today. Why? Well, everybody has a screen. Literally everybody has a video screen. And if you're not taking advantage of the potential audience that you could reach with this screen, you are seriously missing out. You see, it's the only opportunity you get to speak unfiltered directly to your audience. Yeah, I can read words on a page. I can listen to a podcast. Video gives you the opportunity to show who you are, to take me inside the business, let me meet the people. I don't want to just read about them. I actually want to see them. It allows you to form a connection like no other medium can. And since everybody has a screen in their hands, if video is not a major part of your content and brand strategy, again, you are missing out on a huge potential audience. And don't just think consumer audience, business audience. B2B audience, say like a LinkedIn audience, right? Professionals every single day on that platform. I have generated quite a bit of contracts using B2B marketing on LinkedIn. It's been driven by video, connections with buyers, with suppliers, with investors, with bankers, at least 3 times a week, video going up, connecting you to show you why our business is so cool without saying our business is really cool. You know, who are the people behind the scenes? What's the processes that we use? How do we run our business? Are there sustainability or environmental things that we do? How are we involved in the community? We can write about that all day long, but to actually show it, to build a body of work around video, that can create an emotional connection, an engaged connection. I like these people. Look at these guys. I really like that person. I like what they're doing. I like what they stand for. Yeah, they sound great when I'm reading, and they sound great when I'm looking at the website, but when I can actually see and hear the people, the story, I make a connection. Remember, businesses are people. You're not making a connection with XYZ company. You're making a connection with Bob, who is the buyer for XYZ company. You're making a connection with Janet, who's the CEO of XYZ company. And Janet wants to make a connection. They want to understand the people that they are going to do business with. So whether it's consumer or it's business, your message should be complemented by print, by advertising, by all of these other things. But the message should be driven by a personal, engaged, video-centric branding.